Yeah, come vibe with this shit. Just lay back. Fill your syringe with something real dope. Tell the DJ, turn it up a little more. Most people up they ass like a dildo. Sitting in the hot seat and I'm still cold. Shit is scary, no way to tone it down. Harry carry on the mic like holy cow. Go bananas, Ghostbusters, Rick Moranis. Puffin' spliffs, writing rhymes while I'm in pajamas. Full gusto, beat the drums, Barney Rubble. Roll a blunt, blindfolded and hardly struggle. Chill libido, Bob Rossin with the easel. Deeper depths, yellow submarine like I'm Ringo. Record a banger, rapper not the entertainer. Off the top like money to a dirty banker. Undertaker, tombstone pile driver. Wanna smoke a bowl but I can't find my lighter. Innovator, hot box and elevator. Updater, didn't read the disclaimer. Rapping in my deathbed with the respirator. But I'll be back, Terminator, Schwarzenegger. Yeah, Grimey on that motherfucking Terminator, Schwarzenegger. How many goddamn sequels are there? Yeah, flex the shovel, pimpin' in the graveyard. Standing out, Danny Trejo face scars. Moving stealth, man I'm off the radar. I can't drive 55, Sammy Hagar. I'm the real deal, you just a fake. I'm flying high right above where the planes are. Chillin' in the cut, the blade of a razor. Face painted, swinging axe like Braveheart. You were born dumb, I was made smart. Why you act like that when you ain't hard? Why you rap like that with your fake art? All your shit sounds whack, I don't take part. Your level amateur, we play the majors. We got that stamina, you lookin' labored. Sledgehammer Gallagher's, we outrageous. Dr. Evil with the sharks and the fucking lasers. Yeah. Grind me up in this every fucking day, doing that. You know how? Hell the fuck yeah. Lost marbles and I ain't trying to find them. Don't rock jewelry, bitches wear diamonds. Recluse hooligan, Iron Mike Tyson. Face tatted while I'm Miller White. I don't give fucks, you shouldn't either. This shit's hotter than Lucifer's fever. Netflix and chill, Siskel and Ebert. Do things my way, not what you prefer. Bait is poison, serving that econ. Poor life choices, and there ain't a refund. People staring like the fuck is he on? Science experiment, Dr. Egon. Yeah, with the protons and atoms and shit. For real. Got this ish on lock like armored trucks. Most these kids sound dull, not on par with us. Grimey P, wrong tree to be barking up. Drop you in the landfill like a garbage truck. Got this ish on lock like armored trucks. Most these kids sound dull, not on par with us. Grimey P, wrong tree to be barking up. Drop you in the landfill like a garbage truck.